The Chevron Tractor Restoration Competition celebrates International Women in Engineering Day with our 2021 Grand Champion, Annika Ernstrom. Annika, what advice do you have for young women with an interest in engineering and mechanics?
I would honestly say just take the leap. It doesn't matter what other people are thinking and what they're telling you. You take that leap, and if you enjoy it, great. And if you feel that you're good at it and that you want to pursue it, go for it. If you don't like it, it was a learning experience, and you can go off from there and find something else, and you leap for something different. But I definitely took the risk of saying, I have no mechanical knowledge, I have no clue what I'm doing, and I want to try it. And I had a lot of people telling me, you're crazy, you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to be able to do it, the guys are going to do all the work for you. Game on. Like, you told me I can't do this, I'm going to go ahead and do it. And I'm going to do it with help because we need help every once in a while. And though I'm stubborn and strong-headed, I do not want to admit that I need help. Definitely need it sometimes. But this was a project that I took on and I did my best to do on my own. It's something where I can sit there and say, yeah, I know this tractor inside and out, and I can answer those questions, not anybody else. And that is a great feeling to have, especially when you go into a male-dominated practice and they underestimate you consistently, or you're just able to sit there and be like, quietly wait, and then prove them wrong.